Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to type percentage symbol on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, at first you need to press your shift key, also press 5. Press shift key, also press shift 5 together. Then you can see percentage symbol already typed on your PC or laptop. So I will show you on screen keyboard. Just open my on screen keyboard, then press shift key, also press 5. Press shift key, also press 5. Press shift key, also press 5. There you can see percentage symbol already typed. So guys, in this way you can type percentage symbol on your skin very easily. So guys, this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.